friends, welcome to the second tutorial of Tic Tac. Let's continue our coding. So now we need to do our first move. We are going to check if player is coloring 5, we need to color 1 and vice versa. If shape 5 dot shape style is equal to user color player color, then shape 1 dot shape style is equal to computer color, else shape 5 dot shape color is equal to computer color. And if now we have given interest for computer to do the first move. Okay, these two colors are looking little similar, so let's change the computer color. Let me keep 5. No, maybe 12. What happened? Okay, so now computer is moving. Second move, computer don't know what to do. Now we need to give the second move to the computer. So also we need to check whether computer has done its move or not. Let's declare a variable here, dim move finished as boolean. Is equal to true, equal to true. By every time whenever it's coming to computer turn, should be default by false. I guess boolean is always false, but still, just not to confuse, I'm setting it again. That's yeah. Once it's moved, we need to reduce the count as well, the computer count. So I guess we have some variable defined for that computer move. Yeah, this is computer move. So computer move dot value is equal to convert to int same computer move dot value -1. Now let's click here. Okay, both are becoming like this. This is wrong. To -1, and we need to do only here. So new game. Okay, even reset is not working. Click on new game. I should say computer move dot value is equal to 4. Okay, still I guess there is some problem in user click. When we are clicking here, this is for new game, initialize, user select, player dot value is equal to -1. It will come to computer turn. Okay, here we need to say and 1D new turn should be played when computer moves equal to 4, and it's equal to 4. See, okay. Now the move 1 computer will play when this is equal to 4, and anyway here this move will be false, and also to number 5 or number 1 according to the color. Still it's moving. Okay, else. Okay, it's going to else every time. Here we need to just move it one step forward. If then and if, now that problem should not happen. See, so when computer is playing 1, then it's not increasing. Okay, let's do our second step. So step 2. Step 2 should be a defending move. Like suppose if you are keeping here, then it should defend here, and if you are keeping something like this, then computer should try to win. So second move has two types of thing. One is defend and overtake. If we are playing properly, like then if we are trying to win using like this somewhere, then computer should play here so that player will not win, else computer should take a lead to win. Let's do that. For that we need to use these arrays. Let's create a common function to check whether a user has done moves in these combinations. Function check user. Okay, let's code in a computer way. Different move. So this is computer's different move. Different move is going to take array that is win move, possible move array, and here we are going to do for, okay, let's declare it dim I as integer, dim I is equal, for I is equal to 1. Let's keep 0 because array starts from 0. 0 to upper bound of array, bound of possible move array. Next, if possible move of I is equal to player color, then end if. We'll create one more counter, dim color counter as integer. Now let's paste and let's increase it. If here the count is equal to 2, means suppose let's take example of 1 2 3. So this is 1 2 3. If let's say player has kept in 1 and 2, it means his possible move is this. So computer should click here, means mark that color. So module 2, if color count is equal to 2, then end if. Now we need to copy this one again, and let's say if the color is not equal to player count, and no, let's keep it simple. It's equal to new color, that is default board color. Then here we need to mark the shape, that is, let me find a code where I am marking the shape. Selected shape, okay. What are the shape names? Yes, so we need to say this one, that is, sorry, here sheet 1 dot shapes of s of the same I dot shape style is equal to, we need computer color. And what is this? And next let's do indentation, else it will be confusing at last. Let's return a value true here, is equal to true. It means a mark is done. By default we can return as false, as boolean. So this is how we will say a return value in VB. Now this is done. Let's call move finish is equal to define move possible arrays when one, that is this one. Okay, like this we need to do for all the arrays, as well as for first one definitely need to do. The second move should be did only when the count is 3, so that also will make sure the count is 3, and this move need to be done. For remaining things, we'll say if win move and win move is equal to false. Move finished, sorry. Move finished. If move finished is equal to false and also 3. Suppose if a code is going into this method and it is returning true and it will mark and return true, it means other methods should not be executed. That's why we are saying it is equal to false. Also we are checking here. Now we need to copy paste this for all the 8 arrays. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So second different move we did, and now we need to do overtake. Before that, let's test it. U bound of what is this? Okay, initiate. What's happening here? Let's click a new game. So it is set, and when we press here, this one now is not an array. Yes, because this win1 is not setting here, I guess. Let's run it. Now if I click it, we'll get add to watch. This is array and we are passing it. I'm pressing F8 from my keyboard now. Still this possible move is not an array. Why? I don't know. There is some syntax error. Let's check it. Let's say it like this. Then it should not be a problem. Let's try again. F8, F8. Still it is not taking it. I don't know. Let's check it in Google quickly. How to pass array to function NVBA. Always Stack Overflow. So array as variant. Almost we have tried the same. I don't know why it's not working. U-bound. That is a problem. It's not unbound, it's U-bound. Okay, new, click F8, F8. Same problem here as well. If you check now the possible move, it is 0, 1, 2, 3. Now if I press this, the computer, I expect computer should play here. If computer move is equal to 3, okay, instead of computer move we'll say player move, because after first move it automatically becomes a computer move will become 3. Let's keep this as a player move, it will be more appropriate. Let's keep 2. You can find a better logic than this in internet. This is my own logic, and maybe a code also will be a bit bigger. Yeah, this is 2. And why it's not marking? Let's check this one, because this is the first of second. Yeah, if you check this array, this is 1 2 3. This is what it need to do. In this one, counter player color 2. We should not do like this. Possible array is equal to 2. So we should say shapes here. Sorry for making a lot of mistakes, friends. And now it's correct. The same if we need to copy paste here as well. So what I did here is, in the sheet 1, in shapes, I'm getting the value from the array, that is 1 2 3 in this first case, and I'm checking the shape of S ampersand this is matching the player color. Let's do it again. F8 F8 F8. Yeah, it's counting 2. Yeah, it's 2. Then now shapes of sheet 1 dot shapes of S of 0. Okay, always no. Nope, 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 nope. It cannot be like this. It should be this. What? Oh, I found it. Found out. It is like, if it is equal to default color, let's say default board color. The default board color, then it need to color the computer color, because we should only color the blue ones, not the marked ones. I'm confident now it works. Yeah. Okay. Suppose I'm making it center here. Good. So now the second step is great. Suppose let's do a step like this. The computer doesn't do anything, because second step we have programmed it to defend. Now let's program it to take advantage. First one is defend move. Now we can say advantage or overtake move. It is also simple. If this is equal to false, then it should do this. Here it is almost same like this method. We will be counting a default board color here, and one color should be computers. Then among one default we will be coloring with computers. Okay, so let me copy paste this same method, and let's say this as advanced move. Advanced move, and possible moves it should come again possible moves. Then color, if these are board color, and let's change it to board color count, and we need one user color, sorry, one computer color. Let's quickly copy paste. Computer color count, let's increase it here. Board color, let's put it here. This one. Now we need to have two empty spaces and one computer color. So let's check it here. This is equal to 2 and this is equal to 1. Then we need to again color it on the default board color. So this is same. Maybe if you feel like making this as one more function, you can make it so that the duplicate of this code can be removed. I'm not going to do it now for this tutorial. Maybe you can make these things also as a function, because we are again and again we are saying if and these things. So that is a better way of coding as well. I'm going to just show how to achieve tic-tac-toe here. This is equal to false. Then we need to say again same thing till here inside this. If value is equal to 2 and this one is equal to false, now we are calling advantage move. Okay, now computer should take advantage move. Let's see. Let me do the same thing. Defend move. Okay, it's not defend move. Oh, it has taken both. This is funny. Let's do exit for here after 1. Okay. Now computer starts taking advantage move. Now one idea I got, that is, here we don't want to mention 2 or 2 like this. We'll just keep move finished, just move finished. So let me remove this and make it like this. Yeah, if this is equal to false, then do it. Here also I'm going to remove all these things. Whenever it's possible to defend, let it defend, because even third step this defending moves will be coming. Here also we don't want to say as 2, we will just say this. Why I'm saying this big if is, it will not even check these things, it will directly go out. Suppose if some moves done here, it will save some time. In this case not much difference, but yes, false. We'll remove this as well quickly. So the second move is done. The third move is to check for the winner. We need to write one more method. If I'm playing here, it is doing here, and if I'm playing here, it's doing there, here, there, and here. Yeah. So now computer starts playing. Let's keep center here. Oh, it's defending, great. But still now we can win this computer, I guess. Yeah, now I'm going to win. So still win move is possible. That is one corner, another corner. How did I do that? Oh, sorry, that is not a win move. If I keep here, the computer should play this one now. Yeah, now let's code the win move. That is the third step. Till here, if computer played first move, it is defending and overtaking. The win move should be at the starting. Why it is in this case in this, suppose if we are doing like this, and when user clicks here, it should not try to defend this current move. It should check, is there any possible move for the computer to win? If it is there, it should take the call. So let's write a win move here. It is going to be same. Copy paste all the things and put it here. Let's say win move here. Okay, now we will write the method. Yeah, we can copy paste this method. That's win move. Let me confirm the spelling once. If it is wrong again, it will not work. So let's copy paste for the safety. This is one disadvantage of VB editor. The IntelliSense is not like if you have used Visual Studio or IntelliJ, Eclipse, etc., PyCharm, whatever it is. So this is not as great as those IDEs. Okay, in WinMove, what we need to check is if two moves are equal to computer color. Again, this WinMove and the first move looks same. The only difference will be the colors. So even you can pass this as a parameter instead of two methods. Yeah, this is not an optimized code. Again, you can optimize it. It's equal to computer color, then color count is equal to plus 2. Then if the color code is equal to 2, then it should check a default color, and in the default color you should put a computer color. Are we correct? Let's check it. Okay, it's been moved, sorry. Okay, now here if I press outside, it should take a WinMove. Yes, Now computer is winning. After every method runs after computer turn, we will call a method that checks if anybody won, or let's say the board is end. That means if a player has used 4 moves or computer has used 4 moves, then it should create a new board. This is check win move or R remaining moves. Check win move and remaining moves. This is already become very big, so I'm going to create that here. Sub check so again it's going to be copy of these functions. Let's remove this one. Okay, it's better to change this name. Remove this and this. This is the last step. So if this possible color maybe is equal to computer color. Okay, let me quickly create an ugly code. Computer color and user color. Let's say player color. If this is equal to computer color count, then computer count should increase. Same thing. If it is equal to player color, then player count should increase. So if any among them is, let's say, if computer counter color is equal to 3, else if player color is equal to 3, then end if. Here else and if there is no space. In Java and C# if you see there is a space, and yeah, a lot of syntax difference out there, but this one we often do a mistake. I often do a mistake. Here message, let's say message box, computer won the game. Here player won the game. VB information. Here let's say critical. You should win the computer. If anyone won, then we need to will call a new game. Call new game. Call new game. And one more is the what do you call, what do we want, one more is, yeah, this count is 0 if player move is is equal to, yeah, player moves the first one. So if it is becoming 0 or computer moves equal to 0, then and then let's give a message box, msg message box, game over, you are out of move, comma bb, let's say information again, then call new game. That's it. Code over. Very good. Check window is this. And why are you giving error? Argument is not optional. What argument I need to pass? Okay, we can check window so many times. Okay. What to do? Okay, now let me copy this quickly. Let's create one function here. Function winmove checker, and copy all the no, it is simply check winmove one. It's 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be calling everything. Let's just swap the name. One more thing is we are not going to return back anything here. So yeah, it's not returning anything. It's good. Check most possible arrays variant. I don't want any return type. Again, is this the issue? Is this the issue? Is this no? Let's do a call here. Sometimes even a call makes a mistake problem. No. Oh, sorry. Silly mistakes. Go away. Computer on the game. 3 sets. Good. Game over. Resets. Oh, no. This time computer should have 1. Okay. Now if I click, computer should place here and it should win. And it's not doing like that. Okay. Here. No, it's not. Okay, computer mode is not reducing. as well as there are two problems. One is computer move should get reduced whenever it's doing a move. Here, even in the window, and let's say -1, even 0, let's keep. Now I guess both the problems are solved. Okay, if I press here, now computer should win by keeping here. Computer won the game. Yes, we have done our coding. Thank you, friends. Try to win the game, and if you are winning the game, please let me know. Let's fix that issue. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.